In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zendesk subscription. Now, whether you're scaling down operations or simply moving to a different platform, cancelling a service like Zendesk needs to be straightforward, right? Well, that's what we're aiming to achieve in the next few minutes. Let's start from the very beginning, ensuring you can follow through without any hiccups. First, head over to the Zendesk website. You'll see the sign in option right there on the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now, depending on the web design, you might have to click on sign in again. It's okay, just another click. Here, you'll be required to enter your email address and password. Got those filled in? Perfect. Hit enter on your keyboard or click the sign in button to proceed. Once you're signed in, your next step is to navigate to Zendesk products. It should be fairly easy to locate on your dashboard. This section gives you a quick glance at all the products you have access to under Zendesk. But where we need to direct our attention to is the admin center. Click on that. The admin center is essentially your control room. It's where all the administrative tasks happen, including adjustments to your subscription. Now, inside the admin center, look for the account option. Usually it's found on the sidebar or within a drop-down menu. This account section houses all your account related settings and information. Within those options, you want to find and click on subscription. This is where all the magic happens in terms of managing what you pay for and how you pay for it. Upon clicking subscription, you should ideally land on a page that showcases your current Zendesk plan, billing cycle, and crucially, an option to cancel your subscription. Now, it's important to note, if you're on a free plan or if there are specific terms related to your account, you might not see this cancellation option right away. If you find yourself scratching your head thinking, uh-oh, I don't see it, don't worry, not every plan follows the same cancellation route, and there may be different stipulations based on when you signed up or what promotions you availed of. In such cases, it's advisable to directly reach out to Zendesk support for guidance to ensure you're taking the appropriate steps tailored to your specific situation. Remember, it's important to know the implications of cancelling your subscription, like what happens to your data or if there's a grace period to reactivate your account. Zendesk's support site and their team can provide guidance on these aspects, so you're fully informed before making any final decisions, and that's pretty much it. Direct, straightforward, and done without too much hassle. By following these steps, you'll successfully navigate your way through cancelling a Zendesk subscription. Whether you're bidding farewell to Zendesk for now or just taking a break, it's great knowing how to manage your subscriptions effectively. Remember, managing software subscriptions is part of the digital housekeeping we all need to practice now and then. It ensures we're only paying for what we truly need and use. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more guides and tips. Who knows what we might tackle next? Until then, happy unsubscribing.